Although genes were known to exist on chromosomes, chromosomes are composed of both protein and DNA, and scientists did not know which of the two is responsible for inheritance. In 1928, Frederick Griffith discovered the phenomenon of transformation. Dead bacteria could transfer genetic material to transform other still living bacteria. 16 years later, in 1944, the Avery MacLeod MC-Carty experiment identified DNA as the molecule responsible for transformation. The role of the nucleus as the repository of genetic information in eukaryotes had been established by Hammerling in 1943 in his work on the single-celled alga acetabularia. The Hershey-Chase experiment in 1952 confirmed that DNA is the genetic material of the viruses that infect bacteria, providing further evidence that DNA is the molecule responsible for inheritance. James Watson and Francis Crick determined the structure of DNA in 1953, using the X-ray crystallography work of Rosalind Franklin and Maurice Wilkins that indicated DNA has a helical structure. Their double helix model had two strands of DNA with the nucleotides pointing inward, each matching a complementary nucleotide on the other strand to form what looked like rungs on a twisted ladder. This structure showed that genetic information exists in the sequence of nucleotides on each strand of DNA. The structure also suggested a simple method for replication. If the strands are separated, new partner strands can be reconstructed for each based on the sequence of the old strand. This property is what gives DNA its semi-conservative nature, where